This long saga of the Wilmington 10 reminds us of the important role that the media can play in the struggle for social justice. In the video, you saw a quick snapshot of a story about the case that appeared in the Greensboro Daily News. The managing editor of that paper, Irvin Smallwood, was a close associate of Everett Parker's and OC Inc. Mr. Irwin is sorry he couldn't be with us today, but he too is with us in spirit. He assigned one of his reporters to review the Wilmington 10 case and write a series on his findings. Stan Swafford interviewed lawyers, sifted through court records, and developed key information for the defense team. He was a finalist for the Pulitzer Prize. But more important, his articles brought the story of the Wilmington 10 to the world, helping to achieve the prisoner's eventual release. Years later, African-American newspapers in North Carolina continued to advocate in support of the full pardon for the Wilmington 10 that were issued late last year. Speaking on behalf of the national officers of the United Church of Christ, we, like our predecessors, are still committed to being a bold, widely known, and respected public voice of progressive Christianity in the service to God's ever-unfolding mission.